In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Meet Whiteboard. To get started, open Google Meet in your web browser and join your meeting as you normally would. Once you are inside the meeting, take a moment to look at the controls along the bottom of the screen. This is where you will find the tools that let you add features to your call, including a collaborative whiteboard. Next, click the highlight option on the meeting controls. This helps draw your attention to the area where the add-on tools live, and it is also where you will access the whiteboard feature in a consistent way during future meetings. Now click on Add-ons. Add-ons are extra tools that integrate with Google Meet and allow you to do more than standard video and audio, such as running activities, collaborating, or sharing interactive content. When you open add-ons, a small panel will appear with options for managing and adding new tools. From that panel, select Browse the Marketplace. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace area where you can find available add-ons. Since there are many options, using search will save time and help you locate the exact tool you need. In the search field, type Highlight. As you type, look for an option related to whiteboards in the results. Then click on Collaborative Whiteboard. This is the add-on that enables a shared drawing and writing space for meeting participants, which is especially useful for brainstorming, teaching, or explaining ideas visually. After selecting Collaborative Whiteboard, click on Highlight again. This keeps your focus on the key area of the interface where you will continue setup, and it can help you confirm you are in the right place before moving forward. Finally, click the chevron right icon. This typically indicates moving forward, expanding details, or continuing to the next part of the add-on flow. Once you do this, you are set to proceed with using the collaborative whiteboard within your Google Meet session. That covers everything you need to know.